Hi, this is Johnny Chua, and welcome to our 90-day 1 million peso challenge. This is our first day. Day 1 natin to. So this is what I want you to do. Ask yourself, what does the 1 million income in real estate provide for you and your family? You have to be absolutely clear about this, on why do you want to earn that first million. The clearer you are, the faster it will become a reality. And a while ago, nag-interview na ako sa mga kasamahan natin, and this is what they have to say kung bakit o saan nila gagamitin yung 1 million na kikitain nila.
If I have that 1 million, siguro more on education sa mga daughter ko, then planning to have my own business in future. And also having in my own house at Lancaster. That's it.
I want to start with 1 million for my personal goal and for my family. For myself, gusto ko yung syempre shopping, facial. Tapos for my family, gusto ko i-travel yung with kids. And also I want to have my own investment. It may be a business or a house and lot also.
Given a chance na mapa sa akin yung 1 million na yon, since nakakuha po kami ng bahay, siguro sir doon na rin din mapunta. And yung matira po, parang savings na lang din po para sa anak ko. And yung iba din, siguro parang pang shopping na rin din po. Yan lang po sir.
So far, may 1 million ako today. So, ang gagawin ko first, tutulungan ko ng family ko, mga pamangkin ko, kasi, at saka sa future na maging baby ko. After nun, pag magkaroon ko another millions uli, tutulungan ko yung mga kapitbahay namin dun sa Iloilo. At saka magkaroon ako ng investment doon sa amin. Magkaroon ako doon ng sarili kong lupa, bibili ako doon, at magpapatay ako ng sarili kong bahay doon sa amin. Thank you.
Ngayong, nung na-reach ko yung 1 million, nakakapag-travel na ako, nakakapag-shopping na, nabibili ko na yung gusto ko. Ngayon, ngayong goal na gusto ko ma-hit uli yung second million challenge, gusto ko na makapag-travel pa more, makapag-invest ng condo, especially, lagyan ko yung specific sa Brickstone, gusto ko siyang ma-cash. Then, travel yung family ko abroad. Makapag-shopping. Yun na.
Today, I accept another 1 million challenge for my family. Gusto kong pagawa ng bagong house yung parents ko since matanda na sila, and then gusto ko rin sila makapag-travel abroad. Kasama ako, and then gusto kong mag-invest. Yung isang plan ko is gusto kong makabili ng sarili kong condo. Tapos gusto kong mag-travel abroad. Aside dun sa incentive, gusto kong for my own expense. And then, ano pa ba? Yan lang muna.